war, surging oil prices, uncertainty, volatility, bear market, bull market. It's been a crazy week. Let's unpack. The United Nations met on Monday to discuss Ukraine and Russia. Sanctions were also imposed on Russia, and on Monday the ruble, which is the Russian form of currency, fell below a value worth less than 1 cent. For comparison, some lesser-known cryptocurrencies are worth more than the ruble by more than 10 times. Hearing that, investors thought Russians would turn to crypto, but Binance founder Changpeng Zhao said crypto won't help Russia evade sanctions. Their stock market, the Moscow Bourse, is also suspended to shield investors from huge losses. Speaking of sanctions, Google halted all ads in Russia. Formula One ended contract with Russian Grand Prix amid attacks on Ukrainian cities. Other companies and countries issued sanctions on Russia, but I won't list them all enough to save time. The good in all of this is that Airbnb offered free temporary housing to 100,000 Ukrainian refugees. U.S. factory expansions quicken as Omicron variant's impact recedes. Zoom reported that a growth slowdown is coming and the stock is falling. President Biden gave his State of the Union address Tuesday evening, and as he spoke, Dow futures and Treasury yields declined. Coronavirus deaths exceeded 950,000 earlier this week. As I reported earlier this year, Powell has reiterated that the Fed will raise interest rates at March meeting. After Powell's testimony, the Dow ended the day up 600 points. ADP says private businesses added 475,000 jobs in February. That's a lot of jobs, and a lot of production should equal a lot of money. Now let's get into some cryptocurrency news. Crypto, fashion, who would have thought? Not me, but on Tuesday, SHIB announced a fashion collaboration with Milan-based designer Don Richmond. I wonder what that line will look like. Whatever it looks like, I know SHIB holders are excited. Bitcoin hit $45,000 this week, but slid below that as well. Investors are now eyeing the $37,000 support level. On March 2nd, a SHIB whale bought, hold on, $442.6 billion SHIB tokens, equaling around $12 million. If you've been in SHIB for a while now, then those kinds of purchases aren't new to you, and you know what happens next. Well, what usually happens next. CVS has now entered the metaverse. The drugstore chain plans to offer virtual prescription drugs, wellness products, and other merchandise authenticated by NFTs. Imagine going back in time and telling someone there would be a digital world. They would have looked at you like you were crazy. Anchor, the decentralized money market, remained in the spotlight after its ANC token gained 22% over the past 24 hours. As of this video, it has risen 47.28% in the last 7 days. On Friday, cryptocurrency slid. Consequently, analysts expect a volatility spike. Onto the stock market. It was absolutely crazy this week. My weekly watch list did crazy numbers, and I hope you all were able to bank hard. Okay. These next 8 stocks finished the week down by 45% or more. As you can see, only 3 stocks were down by more than 50%. The rest finished the week in the 45 to 50% range. Now let's put the red to bed and make the scene for the green. These next 18 stocks, that's right, I said 18. These next 18 stocks finish the week up by 45% or more. All throughout the week, stocks stuck around to hold gains, and Friday, certain stocks absolutely ripped. Now that's all I have for you. But make sure you come back later tonight to get my weekly watch list. I'll see you all then.